Hello everyone, this is Phil. Welcome to GQ Leader. Now I just in our workshop. You can see we have many ready stock. This is our tube cutters. So if you have any requirement for tube cutters, we can deliver it as soon as possible. Come here. And this workshop is our sheet cutter. And we also have many ready stock. And some machine has finished the installation and ready to delivery. Our GQ Leader was founded in 2006 year. It's a high-tech enterprise with fiber leader and software development and modern management. We are specialized in fiber leader of high and medium power leader equipment. Since established, GQ Leader has moved on very fast. We are one of the few laser cutting machine manufacturers in China who has the ability to produce cross beam and machine bed all by ourselves. We have more than 400 employees and 40 R&D team and over 60 after-sales engineers. So our GQ Leader has become the leading and world famous in China and solution provider. Our sales channels covers more than 60 countries and regions all around the world. So we see that if you have any specially designed or requirements for function, please don't hesitate to contact our sales representative and discuss with our R&D team. We will try our best to make a customized for your demand.